Previously on Madman.
And here we are at TH Performance for an ECU tweak. The van is now done, and Terry has tweaked the ECU a little bit to suit the new injectors, the Bosch 216 injectors, and it's purring like a kitten. When we bought this van a few years ago, it was a stock AJT 88 horsepower van. But our first trip down to France with a friend who had a 102 ACV Transporter T4, we realized that we were going to have to do something about getting more power out of the Wonder Wagon, because 88 on a long wheelbase high roof camper van is just not enough. It's fine for cruising around town, but certainly not enough to get up any of these big hills in France. So we fitted an intercooler, and a couple of months later did another French trip, and the van was dynoed at 96 horsepower, and it made some difference. But this particular hill, we still had to change to fourth by the top to get up it, and our friend in the 102 ACV would just cruise straight past us. Now, with the Bosch 216 injectors and a remap, we have 132 brake horsepower and 300 Newton meters of torque, and we are cruising up the same hill in fifth gear at 70 miles an hour, overtaking everybody else. That's how important the upgrades have been. The van and the camper van setup is essentially the same. That's why we went for more power in the Wonder Wagon, because now we can just cruise up these hills like they're not even there. Oh, was that a hill? That was a hill, but it's gone now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.